everyone, this is Valentina. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so excited to review the new model by ECOVACS, a robotic lawn mower. And what I've got, it's the ECOVACS robotic lawn mower, the GOAT, G-O-A-T, GOAT, greatest of all times. The GOAT A2500 RTK. That's the model I am reviewing here today, guys, and I truly hope that you are excited the way I am. Well, let's get started. So guys, this is the ECOVACS GOAT A2500 RTK robot lawn mower. This one is definitely taking the hassle out of the lawn care with fast, powerful cutting ability, with a smart navigation, and with fully autonomous operation ability. It is delivering a perfectly manicured lawn without the need of me even lifting a finger. How amazing is that? So guys, this ECOVACS A2500 RTK robotic lawn mower is working on the ultra precise navigation technology, the LELS, which this goes for LiDAR-Enhanced Location System. This is an advanced GPS connectivity type of a technology which is achieving a faster and more reliable satellite connections. So as a result, the robot can connect faster and better to the satellites to create a better path of mowing the lawn. It is connects to 40 plus satellites for stable navigation. So even if your house is located in real shaded area, if your house is all surrounded with trees, still this technology that this robot is working on is going to ensure a seamless mowing paths, a seamless accuracy at locating itself, and a complete lawn coverage for your house. This robot is able to work wire-free, as well as it's able to provide a wire-free setup and intelligent mapping, auto mapping to be way more correct. The robot is gonna automatically generate a precise virtual lawn boundaries and map without any physical wires, sticks into the ground. The robot is using an advanced RTK positioning type of technology. Now, what is RTK? We all talk about RTK, no one's really know what it is. So RTK stands for real-time kinematic. This is a precision GPS high technology which is accurately maps lawn boundaries without the need for physical actual wires. And now, thanks to this robust 32-volt energetic platform that this robot works with, the mower can effortlessly climb slopes up to 27 degrees, which is going to equal to about 50%. It can also easily crosses barriers for up to 4 centimeters of height. It also comes with 100 watt of cutting power and 3000 of RPM rotating blades. So this is a dual blade system which is slices through any grass type at a one single pass only. So the blades are dual blade system and they are going for 3000 RPM. So they work really fast, really hard, and really well. Now the dual blade disc cutting system also has a width of 32 centimeters. So it's capable of having a large lawns efficiently at 400 square meter per hour. It has an amazing edge close cutting for about 5 centimeter proximity. So the blade discs are positioned in that special design which makes it to be right near the edge to minimize any uncut grass. That's to reduce the needs for manual trimming. And as a result, it can cover up to 4,305 square feet per hour. Also, the ECOVACS A2500 has an adjustable cutting height, so you can control the cutting height through the smart application, and it is going to be changed as it working on the live time. So let's say your robot is right now mowing, you can absolutely change the height of the blades through the smart application right now, and it will take an immediate effect. So you can adjust the cutting height anywhere from 1.2 inches and up to 3.6 inches. That to ensure a complete personalization, and it's all customizable, so you can fully personalize and control it and customize it all through the smart application directly from your phone anywhere around the world. You can absolutely give your robot commands as and while you are remote from your house and from your robot. Now this robot can also cut all grass type. Also, this one has a quick mode. So it works with a quick 45 minutes of charging and has an extended runtime. So it comes with a 5Ah battery. So the GOAT A2500 RTK lawnmower gonna be charged in just 45 minutes, and it's gonna be able to mow up to 5,382 square feet on one single charge. So it's gonna automatically return to its charging station once it's gonna sense that the battery is about to end, and it's gonna recharge itself to keep on working. That's minimizing any downtime for a continuous lawn care. And now guys, the AI VI3D AI camera as well as the 3D TOF LiDAR technology and algorithms, these together by synergy are detecting and avoiding 200 plus of a common garden obstacles. So it is detecting and successfully avoiding any type of an obstacles all around your yard. That's to ensure a complete safe navigation and true mowing without any type of a missed spots. And now guys, talking about the smart AI camera and sensors, well, this robotic lawnmower have an ability to build a fully automatic map. So it has fully automatic mapping ability and customizable zones. So this lawnmower is going to automatically map your lawn without any physical markers, without any wires, without any sensors, without anything stick to your grass. It is automatically going to create a map. So the ECOVACS Home Smart application is going to create a custom mowing zones as well. So you can fully customize and control your lawnmower through the smart application. So you can adjust cutting heights through the smart app, set up mowing schedules, or create your own personalized lawn care. Now, it also works in advanced AI navigation technology, and the map that was automatically created or was fixed by you, this one is editable, so you can absolutely edit your lawn map. Guys, I truly hope this review was helpful for you. Let me know what do you think down below at the comments. You know what to do. Let me know what do you think. How do you mow your lawn? How do you take care of the grass that grows up at your property? How do you do that? By your hands? Are you paying someone? Are you already using a robotic lawnmower? Because these are pretty rare yet. The robotic vacuums used to be rare too, you know, the ones inside your house. And now they are a mainstream. So I bet it's about time till robotic lawnmowers gonna become a mainstream as well. So guys, I am extra excited about this ECOVACS robotic lawnmower. From my experience, it worked absolutely amazing for me. We have a very small lawn in front of our house, and that's pretty it. That's all that we have. It's not much, but this robotic lawnmower by ECOVACS absolutely outraced himself. It's a fantastic type of a robot that I will highly recommend you guys to have in every house out there. You can put this one on schedule. It can work non-stop. It will go back to the station, recharge himself, and it's so very easy to maintain. It literally keeps your hands free, so you can do whatever you want with your valuable free time that you're gonna have from having a robotic lawnmower. Like you can spend it with your family, with your kids. You can take more jobs maybe and make more money. You can just go and watch a movie on Netflix, whatever works for you. Well, so guys, you know how much I believe in robots. You know how much I am obsessed and excited about robots, because I feel like robots should do all the work that we humans are doing right now. There is no any reason in the world that a human will do any type of a house or yard work by himself. We got robots. We use robots for all of that. So our hands are gonna stay free and our valuable time gonna be free as well. Well guys, please let me know what do you think. Be so very sure to check ECOVACS out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine. ECOVACS, by the way, launching one more model, which is gonna be for a larger area and it's gonna be a little bit more expensive. By the way, this model that I'm reviewed here in this video today, guys, extra affordable. It goes full price for $2,000 right now, and definitely there are discounts and coupon codes so you can get it for way, way less. If you want snooze, of course. So guys, all of the information, coupon codes, sales, promotions, how to save some money of yours, pre-orders, direct link to this one. It's available on Amazon. It's available on the original official ECOVACS website as well. You're welcome to go purchase it from whatever resource that you feel like. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO. Bye.